Bruce with Adrenaline Offroad Customs out in Tomball, Texas. We offer a wide array of parts and services to our customers, including lifts, lowering kits, custom tires and wheels, performance engines and transmissions, custom fabrication to complete restoration and complete custom builds. Come on in, I'm going to give you a brief tour of our shop. This is a car we did last year. Put a ZZ4 crank motor in it, all new custom exhaust, full stainless exhaust. This thing pushes out about 425 horsepower. Just back for a little quick tune-up, clean-up this year for the car show season. This is a nice little 55 Chevrolet two-door hardtop. We're doing some mini tubs, a little Ford 9-inch, reverse triangulated 4-link, and some new tires and wheels on it. Getting it ready for the track. This is a full custom build on a little Jeep Wrangler we're doing for a customer. We put some Dana 44 axles front and rear with 513 gears and aux lockers. Full hydro assist steering, Atlas transfer case. He's going to go tear up some mud holes with this thing here pretty soon. Here we have a 1969 Camaro SS. We did some cleanup work under the hood of this car, getting it ready for the car show season. Completely rebuilt the transmission with a performance rebuild and stall converter. New stereo system, some custom steering wheel, just a few little nice touches you wanted to do to it to freshen it up this year for the car show season. Over here we have a 1966 International half-ton pickup. This is a full factory style frame-off restoration, nut and bolt restoration. We've done everything to this truck, complete drivetrain, motor, transmission, all new brake system, complete metal work to the cab where this thing was in pretty rough shape. We rescued it from the graveyard. We probably could have started with a better donor, but the customer was sentimental about this truck, so we were able to bring it back and restore it to its current condition for him. This thing is completely painted and ready for assembly this week. We should be finished completely with this truck within the next 3 to 4 weeks, and he'll be enjoying it this car show season. Here we have another complete frame-off restoration. This one here is a 1971 Chevrolet pickup. This is a resto mod in some sorts. It's getting full drivetrain, suspension. This is a nice little 383 stroker. Pushes out about 425 horse with a 700 R4 overdrive. Every piece and part of this truck has been painted, polished, powder coated, or replaced with new components. She'll be complete turnkey, ready to go here within the next couple of months here. Over here we have a 1958 Chevrolet Apache. This is a full frame-off restoration with custom suspension conversion. We put IFS with polished stainless A-arms. This is a full show suspension setup with a complete LS1 350 engine. This thing should push out about 425 horse, normally aspirated. We did complete metal work on the cab of this truck, completely replaced the floor, step rockers, cab corners, everything. All new bed assembly that's been all painted and polished. Custom bedwood kit, stainless slats, you name it, we did it. It's got a complete 4-link suspension with polished 4-link with a 9-inch Mosier. This thing's running full Willwood brakes, front to rear. This thing ought to be a beast when we finish her up. Over here we have the bed and cab assembly for the 71 we just passed a minute ago. This thing ought to be approaching the paint booth later next week. We did a couple custom touches to this thing. We put some custom billet tail lights in it with full LED kits in them. We're also installing a flip out tail light on the driver's side. It'll have a fuel filler neck in here, and it'll all be hidden. Built a nice little custom enclosure here. Enclose it in the bed. This truck's getting a candy paint job with silver and black accents on it. Come in, I'll show you our paint booth real quick. This is where we do all of our paint work. Full downdraft booth. We just got done painting this cover and getting it cleaned up, getting ready to go on the truck here later today. We do full restoration work, full accessory line. If you can't find it, give us a call. We can find it for you. There's no limit to what we do around here. We pride ourselves on quality work and a good price for our customers. Come out and see us if we can help you with a project in the future. If you have a project that you're thinking of and need some help, getting some direction on it, come out and see us. We'd be happy to help you with that. My name is Bruce Glanville, Adrenaline Off-Road Customs out in Tomball, Texas. Look forward to working with you. Oh, hey, by the way, I want to introduce you guys to some of the guys that make these things happen around here for us. Hey guys, y'all come here. We're already filming. Alright, everybody introduce yourselves. Just tell us what y'all do around here.
I'm Brad Farrell, I'm the marketing director.
I'm Joseph Lanza, welding fabricator.
Jim Shaw, paint and body.
Adam Poborski, mechanic.
Thanks for coming out and see us, guys. Come see us when you got a project in mind. We'll be glad to help y'all with it.